Okay, Jill, this is your first day on a dirt bike. And today you're going to start off on the little blue Bomber. It's really easy to ride, okay? Okay, so I'm going to give you a few little tips. This is your front brake. Don't use it, because you're just starting, you don't need the front brake.
Okay.
The front brake could get you in trouble. This is your back brake. So if things get too crazy, press that.
Okay.
This is your gas. The more you twist it, the faster you go. So if you want to go slower, you twist it forward. Okay? Back is fast, forward is slow.
Okay.
Here's the gears. This one's really simple. It's all the way up is neutral gear, and then each gear down goes faster.
Okay.
Okay, so first gear is one down from neutral, which is all the way at the top.
Okay.
Don't look directly in front of your front tire. Try to look ahead a little. And don't worry about keeping your feet on the pegs at first. Just kind of let them balance you through, because it's really soft, gravelly stuff you're trying out here. But if you fall, it's kind of soft too. So that could be good and helpful. Okay, so I'm going to start it for you. I'm going to show you a few little things. So you start it in neutral, you rock it back. Okay, it's in neutral, because if it's in gear, the tire would skid.
Okay.
Put it on. Here's off. If you ever get in trouble, you can turn it off. Just switch that and it'll die. So this is the clutch, just like on a standard car. So you pull that in, down, and this makes you go. See, I let it out. Just let it out slow. You got to give it a little bit of gas.
Okay.
If you panic, don't like panic. Pull this back. Whoa! And if you want to do a proper wheelie, don't do proper.
I don't think I'm ready for that.
Okay. It's all yours. Okay, so don't do anything yet. So that's your gas. Try it out a couple times. Okay. Press your brake. Okay. You don't have to press it hard. Just a little bit. There's your clutch. Pull that in, and then if you want to stop, you need to pull that in too, or the motor will keep trying to push it along. Right?
So when I push on the brake, or what do you mean when I
Well,
stop?
if you're just going to slow down a bit, you can press on the brake without pulling that in, but if you're going to come to a complete stop, you have to pull that in or the motor will stall, just like...
Pull that in and then switch it back to neutral, or just pull it in and stop?
You could pull it in and stop. As long as that's in, it won't go anywhere.
Okay.
As soon as you let that out, if it's in gear, you'll go.
Okay.
So just go over to the blue can over there,
Okay.
and then come back around. Go easy. Okay, so one down. Doing it. Oh, good. Hey, you did good. So
now I put it.
that's
Okay.
now that's Now if you let that out, it won't go anywhere.
Okay.
So go around in first gear, do that a couple times, and then if you want to try to go faster, press down one more. That'll give you second gear.
With the clutch in.
You don't really have to as long as you're on the move.
Okay.
Okay, so. Turn it off. You okay?
I'm good. It's the ground.
Good.
It is slippery.
Well, it's really wishy-wash because it's so soft and deep.
Okay.
So we could take you to a little bit more harder ground if you want. Because this is pretty hard, but if you fall, you don't get hurt.
I won't come over here. It's better.
Yeah, it's really sandy over here. If you stay over there, almost go out towards that fence, and then turn. It's really better over there. This is really soft gravel.
Okay.
But you're doing really good. Give me a... Okay. So,
Okay.
you gonna start that thing up yourself?
How
You
do
put
I-
it in neutral,
Okay.
turn it to run, put your little kickstart out, but remember after you start it to swing that thing back in, or it'll catch your leg when you're driving.
How's it go?
Okay, so swing it out, kick it a few times.
Do I have to push on anything?
No, it should just go. So it swings back, yeah. Good. Okay, now turn that in. Good. The natural. Don't go too fast now. Whee! Atta girl. Second gear. Oh, there she goes, second gear. I'm always scared watching newbies. Oh, she's getting the gears down. Yeah. Whoa! She likes to turn over there. coming to the soft stuff. Let's see what she does. Good job. Wow, good job. Yeah, you did it. Oh, I guess it wasn't quite in neutral, but that's okay. You did really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
And I know it's hard with those big boots to try to put them on the foot pegs. So you need a little bit bigger bike, but this is good for you just to
figure out the...
Well, to figure the controls out because
Yeah.
they're the same on all the bikes. Except for this changes. Like on my big bike, neutral is all the way
Fucking sweating.
all the way down and just a half click up is neutral.
Okay.
I know it's kind of dorky. It's in between first and second is neutral. But no, you did really good. I'm stoked for you. You got a kind of little bit squirrely over there.
Yeah.
Kind of scared me a bit, but no, I think you're a natural. You're ready for the KX450 now.
Yeah, baby. Okay.
You gonna go somewhere around here, or do you want to try a different area?
What do you think?
Well, I think you can't really get much speed around here because it could go
It's
like
wishy-washy, like
Yeah.
in water or something.
yeah, exactly. It's because like your tire will always slide when it hits a rut. Like so if you're driving along and you're like kind of going this way up this, it's not going to want to do that. It's going to want to follow that little hillside, so it'll kind of like slide.
Right.
That's why you'd never look straight down at your front tire, because you end up trying to follow these things and you can't do that.
I didn't even really want to.
Good.
I was.
No, you did really good. Okay, well, you want to go around some more? Do you want to try a little course?
Let me go.
You
around a
could
little
go. You could go out there, drive out there, and you turn, and you just kind of ride all the way around, and then you'll have to come down a little slope and stuff. But just use first gear and just go slow all the way around.
Turns are a little bit.
Just go in first gear, and you can always put your foot down. So you're gonna start it all up yourself.
Nothing to start.
Turned on. Oh, it's in gear. So
What's that?
push up on your thing. Maybe one more. Let's see. You're okay. I think you're okay. I think you're okay. Oh, still in gear. Gear. You must have pushed her down a few times. Try that. Oh. Well, it's got a little tiny kid starter. It's for little legs, little short legs.
I got it good last time.
Okay, swing this and don't forget that, or that'll hang up on your back of your leg and screw you right up. Clutch in, one click down, and you're off. Go that way. Okay, so you had to give it a little bit more gas when you went to take off. So back to neutral. Okay, swing your kicker in. Hey, turn, yeah, perfect. Clutch in, clutch in. There. Now give it a little bit of gas. Yeah, there you go.